In this video, I will show you how to connect your remote to Roku 4K. If your Roku remote is working but you want to pair a new remote, you can press the home button on your current remote and go to settings, head over into remotes and devices, head over into remotes, and head over into setup a new device. Go to the Roku home screen. You can do this by pressing the home button on your remote. Then go to settings. You can find this in the left sidebar menu by pressing the left directional button on your remote. Then press the up directional button once and then click OK or the right directional button to proceed. Next, select remotes and devices. Then select add devices. Next, select remote and then continue. Then choose your Roku remote version. Next, press the pairing button on your remote until you see the status light flash green. If your Roku voice remote uses removable batteries, you can find the pairing button inside the battery compartment. If your remote is rechargeable, you will see it on the back of your remote instead. Depending on what kind of remote you have, there might be additional steps to set up your remote with your TV. So you can change the volume and turn on your TV on and off with your remote. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos.